Hello students. Today we are going to read sentences that starts with I am. Let's start the sentences. Use of I am. I am is always used with I. Like I am a boy. I am Ali. I am a boy. I am wearing a yellow shirt. I am excited. One more example. Like, I am a girl. I am Hina. I am a girl. I am wearing a yellow dress. I am enjoying. One more example. I am Umar. I am wearing a hat. I am alone. I am sad. One more example. I am Ayat. I am a girl. I am wearing a yellow shirt. I am a parrot. One more example. I am Tinny. I am a boy. I am scared. I am wearing a blue shirt. One more example. I am Akib. I am a boy. I am foodie. I am hungry. I hope so. Now you learn the use of I am. So bye bye children. I see you in the next lecture. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.